Welcome to Simply Street Bikes. Today we have this 2011 Polaris Victory. It is a Vegas and it's all red in color. It's a really sweet bike. I suggest you get down and look at it today if you're interested in it. Every Vegas that we've had in the last 3 months has literally been in the showroom for about 3 days before it's gone. So come down and take a look at this one. This bike's a really nice bike. It has 19,041 miles on it. Does come with the aftermarket exhaust. It's got a power commander, so it's well set up. It's going to run like a champ. No rips or tears in the seat. Does come with this little extra passenger pad, pavilion, backrest, whatever you want to call it. Good tread left on the tires. No signs of ever being down or dropped. Bike's in really great condition. Let's start this bad boy up. You can hear it. You ready for loud noises? Here's the mileage, 19,041 miles to be exact. Fires right up, nice and loud. It is 106 cubic inch, V-twin, fuel injected. Does have the power commander on it. Six-speed transmission. Really great bike. It's Polaris, so it's a Minnesota brand, so you gotta like that. So there you have it. It's a 2011 Polaris Victory Vegas. It's red in color, has 19,041 miles on it. Comes with aftermarket exhaust and Power Commander 5. If you have any further questions, need more information, you can contact us through our website at simplystreetbikes.com, or you can go ahead and give us a phone call at 952-941-0774. This bike here does come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile warranty. Thank you for visiting Simply Street.